Hello, how are you doing today? I trust that you would love to speak like a leader. Well, I'll share with you three C's that can help you achieve that. And they are clarity, confidence, and connection. Now, let me explain to you real quick how these work. You need to first be very clear about what you want to share with your audience. That's clarity. Secondly, you need to be confident in your style of delivery. This is very important because if you are not clear in your message and you don't deliver confidently the essence of the message, you will be lost. And thirdly, you need to connect to your audience. It's important that you connect to your audience because the message and the confidence with which you deliver the message will lead to this one, which is connection. When you connect with your audience, then you have a very vivid message to pass across. I'll be sharing more tips with you in my daily videos on how you can become a better speaker, enjoy it, and make the best out of it.